racing our F1 cars at Paul Richard Racecourse in France. Coming up next. Hello once again, race fans. Welcome back to another Monster Hobbies Slot Car Racing League night. So, on June 23rd, 2019, at the Paul Richard Racetrack in France, the real Formula One League will carry on. But for tonight, sitting all the way back here in January of 2019, we here at Monster Hobbies will be racing our F1 cars right down here on a slot car version of the infamous Paul Richard Racetrack. And it's going to be a very exciting race that you are going to see in the next few minutes as we go down to the track and race these great Formula One cars in a fury of craziness right here on your YouTube computer device, wherever you're watching this from. So what we want to do is we have a goal here at Monster Hobbies so that when that real Formula One race happens in France on the 23rd of June, that people will be Google searching it, right, to find it, and they will find this video and our league that we raced so many months earlier. So the only way I think we can do that is many ways actually, but these are the main ones. Like, subscribe, share, click that notification button, and help us reach 100 likes. We can do these 5 simple things. They're not very difficult at all. We can actually drive the viewership of this video, plus the other previous ones, up enough. By the time that June hits, when they look at Formula One, they're gonna find our video #1. So help me with that goal, because I think that would be awesome. Maybe we can even get some of the Formula One viewers in on that, or the Formula One drivers, pit crew and others, to see this great video so that they know that back in January, we at Monster Hobbies actually drove this track, this very track here, Paul Richard in France, for them so that they can know which corners are dangerous, because we showed them in the slot car world. That's pretty ambitious, but let's try it. And I know I can do it with your help, so help us out. And now, without further ado, let's go down to the races!
Something went flying there. Mark just took off my rear spoiler. Some for Howard. Right on the red engine. This is our first lap, first race of the night, so everything's going to be a little active. Can you see the plastic case? No. Yeah, I watched it. You must have grabbed like 1,000 cars out of that. Oh, yeah. So what does that do?
Well, there's a new end to the race. So I think it was... Who was it?
B.
Okay. So it's 3,
I was
4...
6.
So it would be Howard, Mark, me, and Glenn. And wasn't that a great, fantastic race? Yoo-hoo! Okay, anyway. So here we are at Paul Richard, and these are the scores for the night for all 8 races. So I've got 64 points. Josh wasn't available. Howard got 41. Kevin couldn't make it. Mark got 45, and Glenn got a surprising 26. Very good work. And right here are our standings for the 4 races, all combined and added together. I am in first place with 160 points. I actually did very well on that track, and it might be hard for Josh and Kevin to catch up at this point. Speaking of Josh, he has now fallen into 5th place with 97 points. Howard is 4th with 100. Kevin is in 3rd with 108. Mark has jumped up to 2nd with 136. And Glenn is soldiering along in 6th place with 50 points. So, good racing, guys, and we'll see you next week in Silverstone. And wasn't that a great slot car race, just as promised, with tons of thrills, chills, suspense, and many more things. And if you really love these races, you don't want to miss next week when we will be racing at Silverstone in England. And if you don't want to miss it, don't forget once again to like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. And again, let's get this thing up to 100 likes or more so that our F1 League, as I said before, will rise up to the top. So when people actually want to watch the Paul Richard race via YouTube and everything else, they will find our race here first at Monster Hobbies on the Paul Richard track from back in January as the first video to come up, and the real F1 videos behind it. And if we get this all going really good, liking, subscribing, and sharing, maybe we can actually have some of the Formula One race car drivers, pit crew, whoever, actually watch these great videos so that they will know where the corners, dangerous corners and stuff are. Maybe we can use this video as a teaching tool to help those drivers to have a more safe F1 race in the real world. They can see where we flew over the curves and everything right here on this Monster Hobbies video. So let's make that dream come true with your like, subscribe, share, and 100 like gain. And I gotta thank everybody because the previous videos, they've already hit over the 50 point mark in just a few weeks of being on the air. So that's the halfway point. So congratulations to all you guys, and thank you very much. And now I've got 3 patrons. So if you want to become another patron, join our Patreon page. Their names are down here. And until next week, we will see you all at Silverstone.